Eggshell fertilizer. Collect eggshells. Dry them in sunlight for 2 days. Or bake them in an oven for 20 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Till the soil and apply as mulch or mix in soil. Powder the dried shells in a grinder or in a mortar and pestle. And apply powder in tilled soil around the roots. Composed of calcium carbonate, eggshells are an excellent way to introduce this mineral into the soil. Eggshells contain nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are most vital for healthy plant growth. Finely crushed shells mixed with other organic matter at applied the bottom of a planter will help newly planted plants thrive well. Crushed eggshells applied around plants act as a snail and slug repellent. Sharp edges of shells keep slugs and snails away from them. You can also boil a liter of water, and then add 3 to 4 clean and dry eggshells to it. For a stronger brew, add the shells of up to 20 eggs. Let the shells sit in the water overnight, and then strain the water. Dilute the concentrate, 1 part eggshell brew with 10 parts water, and apply directly onto the soil to give plants a boost of calcium and potassium. Eggshells will reduce the acidity of your soil and help to aerate it.